Hello, Namaste. I'm Nitin Kaushik. So today we will do 3 yoga asana for hair growth. Yes, so hair loss, hair thinning, and hair fall is a very common problem in men and women both, and even in the youngsters nowadays. So इसके बहुत सारे reasons हो सकते हैं like stress, hormonal imbalance, pollution, and lack of nutrition in your diet. So today we will do 3 yoga asana which are very effective for hair growth, and believe me, if you will practice these asana in daily routine, so your hair will be very healthy and very thick, and you will feel like your hair will be very strong. So let's start. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कैमल पोस्चर से या उत्तरासना से। सो सबसे पहले आप अपने घुटनों पे आ जाएंगे, नीज पे आ जाएंगे, एंड द नीज विल बी हिप विड्थ अपार्ट। सो आई विल शो यू फ्रॉम द साइडवेज। सो सबसे पहले आई विल शो यू द प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द पोस्चर। So first of all, open your both knees hip width apart, and I will give you two options for your feet. So first you can keep flat your feet, or if you feel some difficulty, so you can tuck your toes in like this. So you have two options. First you can flat your feet, or second you can tuck your toes in, which you feel easy. So first I will show you two variations in camel pose. So which one you feel easy, you can choose that one. So first keep your both palms behind your lower back like this. So your palm should be behind your lower back and your thumb should be in the line of the waist. So keep your both palms on the lower back and elbow should be open, shoulder width apart. Don't open your elbows too much wide. Just keep your elbow as much close you can keep. And with inhale, rotate your shoulder up and back and push your hips forward and lengthen your spine as much you can lengthen and lift your chest up. And with exhale, just drop your neck down and try to look at back wall. And keep pushing your hips forward and lift your chest up. And with exhale, come back. So this was the one variation of the camel pose, and now I will show you the second variation of the camel pose. So keep the same posture. Now with inhale, lift your right arm up and grab your heel, right heel, and with inhale, lift your left arm up and grab your left heel, and again push your hips forward, lengthen your spine and lift your chest up, and with exhale, drop your neck back. Then with inhale, lift your right arm up and lift your left arm up, and exhale, relax. So if you feel any difficulty to rotate your arm up and grab your heel, so I can give you a easy option. You just grab your heel from your right hand and grab your left heel from your left hand and just go in the same position and just look back and easily come back. So these are some variations in the camel pose in the Uttarasana. So which one you feel easy and comfortable, so you can choose that one according to yourself. Now after the camel pose Uttarasana, so we also have to do the counter pose, because in this posture we did back bend, so we also have to do forward bend. We just sit in the Vajrasana again and just stretch your back forward in the child pose. And totally stretch your spine, and you can keep in this posture up to 5 breathings. So this was the camel pose Uttarasana. So camel pose के benefits क्या है? When you do this posture, So first of all it works on your thyroid gland. So thyroid gland हमारे हॉर्मोन्स को बैलेंस रखता है जिससे हमारे हेयर हेल्दी रहते हैं। तो अगला हमारा पोस्चर है ब्रिज पोज और सेतु बंधासना। तो चलिए करते हैं सेतु बंधासना। तो सबसे पहले आप अपनी कमर के सहारे लेट जाएंगे। आफ्टर दैट ओपन योर बोथ नीज hip width apart and keep your both arms beside your body. Now with inhale, lift your hips up. Now I will show you the proper alignment of the posture. So again, the both knees should be hip width apart and squeeze your hips and keep your belly in and lift your chest up as much you can. Lift your chest up and try to touch your chin to your chest. So you can stay in this posture as much you feel comfortable and keep breathing. Don't stop your breathings, keep breathing. So just lift your hips up as much you can lift, belly in, and lift your chest up as much you can lift and try to touch your chin to your chest. And with exhale, bring your hips down on the mat. Again, in this posture, I will show you the counter postures, because in this posture you also did back bend. So we will just lift your knees up and hug your knees. So this is only the counter posture for the bridge pose. So you can hold in this posture up to 5 breathings and then come back down and turn to the left side and slowly take your seat. तो ये था ब्रिज पोज और सेतु बंधासना। सो ब्रिज पोज और सेतु बंधासना की जो बेनिफिट्स है वो क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन वी ट्राई टू टच आवर चिन टू द चेस्ट, सो इट आल्सो वर्क्स ऑन द थायराइड ग्लैंड। तो इस पोस्चर में भी हमारा थायराइड ग्लैंड एक्टिव होता है और थायराइड ग्लैंड एक्टिव होने से हमारे हार्मोन्स बैलेंस रहते हैं। तो हार्मोन्स बैलेंस रहेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स वी विल गेट दी हेल्दी हेयर्स। एंड ऑल्सो जो हमारा ब्लड है उसका फ्लो भी हमारे हेड की तरफ जाता है, हमारे स्कैल्प की तरफ जाता है, तो जिससे हमारे हेड को, हमारे स्कैल्प को एक अच्छी मात्रा में ब्लड और ऑक्सीजन मिलता है। तो अगला हमारा पोस्चर है शीर्षासना, हेड स्टैंड। तो चलिए करते हैं शीर्षासना। तो शीर्षासना करने से पहले आप अपने नीज पर बैठ जाएंगे। एक्चुअली आप वज्रासना में बैठ जाएंगे। तो शीर्षासना करने से पहले सबसे पहले हम करेंगे चाइल्ड पोस्चर और शीर्षासना करने के बाद भी हम करेंगे चाइल्ड पोस्चर, क्योंकि शीर्षासना में हमारा जो ब्लड का फ्लो होता है वो अपसाइड डाउन होता है। तो इसीलिए हम सबसे पहले चाइल्ड पोस्चर करेंगे और शीर्षासना करने के बाद भी हम चाइल्ड पोस्चर ही करेंगे। तो चलिए करते हैं चाइल्ड पोस्चर। जस्ट कीप योर हेड डाउन ऑन द मैट and hold in this posture up to 3 breathings and then slowly come again on the Vajrasana. So शीर्षासना करने में सबसे पहले I will show you the proper location of the palms and elbows. So you just grab your both elbows like this and just keep your both arms down on the mat, just very near to the knees, and just keep your palms forward and interlace your fingers. So open your both elbows a little shoulder width apart and just keep your crown of the head down on the mat. So first of all I will show you how to do headstand. Then after that I will show you कि beginners इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं. So let's start. So first keep your crown of the head down on the mat like this. Now tuck your toes in and lift your knees up and try to make your legs straight as much you can do. Now slowly bring your both feet near to your head and try to make your spine straight. and then lift your legs up. So in this posture, you have to support from your palms to your head and keep your both feet together. And then slowly come back. So now I will show you कि beginners headstand कैसे कर सकते हैं. So let's start. So I will show you some variations कि beginners इनको किस तरीके से headstand को कर सकते हैं. Again, keep your crown of the head on the mat and tuck your toes in and lift your knees up. So first of all, I will show you one variation. So you can move your feet forward as much you can do, and then you can lift your one leg up like this. So as much you can keep straight your leg, you try, then down, and then try to make your left leg up and straight like this. So this was the first variation. I will show you now this second variation. Again, head down and lift your knees up. So if you cannot make your legs straight, so you can bend your knees and keep your feet moving forward and try to keep your spine straight. Now lift your one leg up and then down, and left leg up and down. Then again you can try to lift your right leg up, and now try to keep your both legs up like this. So beginners can stay here. Just bend your knees and keep your spine straight, and you can stay here in this posture. And if you want to go further, so you can first open your one leg like this, and then try to open your second leg like this. Then again bend your one leg and bend both and come back. After that, holding child pose. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि शीर्षासना करने से पहले भी हमें चाइल्ड पोस्चर करना है, और शीर्षासना खत्म करने के बाद भी हमें चाइल्ड पोस्चर करना है, और यू कैन स्टे अप टू 5 ब्रीदिंग्स. देन अगेन यू कैन कम टू दी एनी क्रॉस लेग सिटिंग पोस्चर. सो शीर्षासना और हैंडस्टैंड में हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं अप टू 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट्स and maximum 5 minutes. So it's all depends on your capability. So if you are a beginner, so you can hold up to 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, and after that you can increase your time. So शीर्षासना में होता क्या है, शीर्षासना में हमारा जो पूरा ब्लड का फ्लो है वो हमारा हेड की तरफ होता है. तो हमारे ब्लड में जितनी भी न्यूट्रिशंस हैं वो हमारे स्कैल्प की तरफ जाता है, हमारे हेयर सेल्स की तरफ जाता है. So of course we get healthy, thick and strong hairs. So ये थे हमारे 3 योगा आसना जो कि बहुत इफेक्टिव एंड रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द हेयर ग्रोथ. और इन आसना के अलावा हमें अपनी डाइट पे भी फोकस करना होता है. हमारी डाइट में भी हमें हेल्दी न्यूट्रिएंट्स यूज करने चाहिए, हमें हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए. So namaste and stay fit, stay healthy.